So when you go to put your steering sensors on a Power Curver 57 Super B, 57C, or 57D, you got to make sure that you level off your steer sensors with one another. If I just go ahead and tighten these just as they are, when I get online, I'm not going to be lined up. I'm going to be able to switch from 1 and 2. My front track's going to turn, and that's because my sensors aren't lined up. Now, assuming this machine is in good shape, nobody's hit this bar, bent it, damaged it, which a lot of people do, unfortunately. When I go to level this front sensor off, we now have the front sensor level. Now I can do the second steer sensor. Again, assuming these bars are parallel with the machine, they're not bent. When I go to level this one off, it is now the same as the front. So now when I switch between 1 and 2, my front track shouldn't shift very much, if at all, assuming that these sensors are now parallel with the machine and this bar is not bent. Now, it's also good on these all-track steer machines. Power Curver makes both one-track steer and all-track steer, that you also level off the rear sensor as well. Now, assuming these bars are not bent, when I level this sensor off and I'm using all-track steer, when my machine is on the string line, I should have the same measurement from the front and the back to the string line, telling me that my machine is parallel with the line. So it's a little bit more tricky. Now all my sensors are all level with one another. And another thing you want to watch out for when you're running these all-track steer machines is you want to make sure you got the same distance from here to here than you do from here to here. And that'll tell you that your machine is parallel with the line, assuming your sensors are calibrated properly, your sensor arms are not bent, and that your string line sensors are level with one another.